coming out the east side here.
Folks can come check the tracks around that. Check in, Bravo, Juliet.
You want to pop us back to 1.5 or can you?
I want to listen to it first.
Oh.
You can see the hail coming at you.
Yeah. Okay.
And we're in most of it.
Well, roger that, N72.
Roger.
That's a hell report, right?
Mm-hmm. That's a hail report.
Yeah. I just don't think it's doing enough. Feel for these guys.
Totally.
And then try to figure out what we want to do as far as.
I don't know. Look, I still think a straight line wind can take the barn, but not take the camper.
Right.